This video will demonstrate how to assemble the Maine Heritage Cot from Byer of Maine. When opening the cot for the first time, the end rails will be attached by a strap to the cot. Set the end rails aside and unfold the cot. Rotate the end legs until they point in the same direction as the center leg. Stand the cot up and it will display open. Now you will lock on the end rails. You will notice that one end of the cot has a strip of hook and loop underneath, and you should do that end last. Simply slide the end rail through the channel on the other end of the cot so that the holes on the end of the rail are positioned to slide over the wood tenons on the end of the side rails. You may need to push down on the side rail of the cot to line up the holes for the end rail. Repeat the process on the other end with the hook and loop on the underside of the cover. Most people will be able to do this with ease, but if you find the tension to be too great, here's a helpful hint. All you need to do is put the end rail on without going through the fabric, and you will see that it goes on very easily without the tension from the cot cover. Then you undo the hook and loop on the cover, wrap it around the end rail already on the cot, and fasten the hook and loop back together.